Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we will be learning how to log into your Roblox account using your mobile device in just a few simple steps. Whether you are new to Roblox or switching devices, logging in is pretty easy. First, launch open the Roblox app and make sure that you're inside this homepage. Now click on the sign in button at the bottom and then enter your email address, username or phone number at the top of the screen. After typing down your credential, head over to the password field. Enter your Roblox account's password that you've previously set while creating an account, and after typing down your correct password, click on sign in. If you don't remember your password or username, you can get help by tapping on forgot password or username at the bottom. If you don't want to enter the password, you can also email the one-time code on your email inbox. But if you remember your credential, type it down and tap on sign in, which will then log you in to your Roblox account. You can now explore endless adventures and games with your friends. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more beginner-friendly gaming tutorials. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.